Tired of seeing your crypto profits eaten up by hefty Coinbase fees? I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Coinbase while keeping those fees to an absolute minimum, so you can maximize your investment. First, resist the urge to hit that big blue buy button on the Coinbase home screen. This is where the standard, higher fees apply. Instead, look for Coinbase Advanced Trade. It might also be labeled just Advanced Trading depending on your Coinbase version. This is the key to lower fees. You might have to enable Advanced Trade in your settings if you don't see it. Advanced Trade provides a professional trading interface. Don't be intimidated. We're just using it to save money. Now, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy for the simplest and quickest low-fee purchase. Use a market order. This buys the crypto at the current market price. Before you confirm your purchase, always check the fee breakdown. You'll see it's significantly lower than the standard Coinbase buy option. After the trade is executed, your crypto will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Congratulations, you've just bought crypto with minimal fees. Hit that like button if this helped you save money on Coinbase, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.